So let's say you're going to build a small business that supports medium-sized businesses with their Google workspace.
Okay.
So you're a couple nerds and you're going to be the person who helps people set up their Google Drive and across the organization, reasonably secure for an employee with a company with 100 employees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you're in there, in the factory, seeing how things are made, it's very tempting to imagine that everyone you're serving wants what you want, and that you think your customer is the person who's buying stuff from you and what they need is a tech solution. None of these things are true. That the system of a company with 100 people it's probably not the CEO's job to set this thing up. So it's someone else's job. There's a system, a hierarchy of jobs. What does that person want? It's not their money. So lowering your price to get new customers is not going to help you get new customers. That in fact, what that person wants is a story to tell their boss. A story of why did I pick these people? And even better, a story of if it fails, why they are not going to be in trouble. And so when we show up at an organization to tell our story to that system, we have to do it understanding how do they buy everything else? What do they measure? What would happen to us if we were bigger than the other people bidding or smaller than the other people bidding? All of these things go into how the system works the same way the admissions office at the famous college doesn't always pick the people with the highest SAT scores, because there's this complicated mechanism at play that is historical to feed and maintain the system. And so in the case of this Google workspace thing, let's say you decide to close on Thanksgiving Day and you've just got a message on your voicemail, we'll close on Thanksgiving Day, leave a message, we'll call you back tomorrow. That seems normal, unless what got you into the system was an unbreakable promise that you will never get in trouble because we will always answer the phone. That decision, that tactical decision, has to be driven by what you seek to stand for, but that's only going to happen if you see the system of what this company, your client, does and what stories do they tell themselves, right? And Hollywood is a system, and the senior prom is a system. And there are all these factors that go into all of them, subtle signals that people are sending to each other. And if you're going to make a living taking money from people to solve their problems, it has to be to help them dance with the system that they're part of.